This is the old unit put back together with the new baffles, and it's working fine. My son fixed it. This is the new baffles we needed for heat that the muffler shop built for us, and it's working really good. This is the old baffles that had holes in it, and it was causing our unit to backfire. Very dangerous.
Morning, y'all. Well, the unit run fine last night with the new muffler shop baffles. My son's got it all put back together. There's heat in the house. We do have a new unit, but we're not ready to install it because it's not going to go here. We were working on the house, and it's going to be rerouted. But it worked, y'all. Thumbs up to that. See, y'all, we have a new unit ready to install. It's going to go beyond that fence, but we're working over there, so we can't install it yet. See how massive that thing is? Huge. But we're not ready for it. That's our new heat and air. It cost around $4,000, and it's going to take a couple to install it, so about $6,000. So anyway, we're not ready. We got to pour slabs and stuff. Maybe this spring. But we got the heat fixed in the old one. Muffler shop made us some brand new. This is part 2. I showed you the baffles on the other one. I'll attach a picture again on this one. This is fall time of the year. So, anyway. Bottle. Probably mine. I drink that kind of water. Walking around the house because going inside to check on my husband. He said he didn't feel good this morning. I was next door with my son last night. I'm going to move back over here now. I got heat. Hello there. Oreo. This is Oreo. See Oreo. You want cookie, Oreo? Yeah, he wants cookie. Okay, I'm going to show all my mess. I got to go in the house. I opened the door and Yen got out. A black cat. Okay, it's nice enough, I guess. Yen, I'll keep the... Oh, you're going to potty in there. I can catch him if I want, take him back in the house. But, are you going to stay out for a little bit, Yen? Colin, where's Zeus? Zeus is a big cat, neighbor's cat. Come back here, Yen. Don't run off. I guess I should have grabbed him. My husband's father's truck. It's old, but it's running good. Got new tires. Air conditioning. Where you at? Okay, don't run in the road. He usually stays up here, but the truck's in his view. Alright, I'm going to leave the door cracked. Come on. Come on. You want to come in the house? Or you want to stay out here a while? Y'all, I just hurt my finger. See that right there? I bumped it. And it's bleeding. It's not fake blood. That is real. Bumped it right there. I tore off my fingernail. Hadn't painted them yet. It's stinging. All right, baby. I'm going in the house. I'm going to leave the door cracked for you. So you know how to get in. He don't usually run off, so. Okay, you stay out, because it's nice out. It's warm. I'm going to let him stay out for a while. I'm going to go in the house. Oh, we got to get all this greenery tore up here. It's bad. It's going bad. Oh. Take my shoes off. What's this like? Oh, you're in there. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Oh, y'all, look. How come my Christmas tree didn't come on? Oh, there it is. Got my Christmas tree up. I went to Dollar Tree and got a few decorations. I gotta put another picture in there of my son when he was little. Got an angel up there. I got these from the Dollar Tree. The sled. Let's see. Love. Little skate. Peace. Little hand glove, I guess. I got him a Pez. It's got, what's in there? What is in there? A Santa. And let's see, here's another Pez. Oh, this one's Santa. That other one I think is a, what is it? I can't make it. Oh, it's an angel. I need to put my glasses on. And this side I hadn't finished because it goes out to the street. There's my little rug I put in front of my tree. And I got more balls to put on it right here. I got some different color ones. Where are they? I got some red ones somewhere. I mixed the gold and the red. And I'm almost finished with the tree. I'm early. I made this from the, see if you can see it. I made this from the Dollar Tree. I got all this. I got the beads in there to keep it heavy enough so it doesn't fall over. And I just have some fake stuff this year so I don't have to tend to water in it. So I made that from the Dollar Tree. I think it costs around $10 to make that. Vase and all. Beads, vase. And everything you see there. I think it was like $10. I was trying to do it for 10 even. So I think I made a cute centerpiece. I'm not a decorator, but I just wanted a little bit of decoration. And okay. You know, my sister-in-law Tammy gave me these chairs. Ain't they cute? They're wicker. The wicker chairs. My cat. There's my cat. Yen. There's Yen. Yen, you don't chew on that. You know better. I've got to paint this one brown now. They gave me 2 chairs. I didn't have no living room furniture. So now I got some, like I said, here. Now that box right there, that's for the cats. When we lay that down, they play in it. My washer come in that. I just don't have the heart to get rid of it yet. I might have to get rid of it. I'm pretty relaxed in my old age. Well, anyway, I just want y'all to see I got my Christmas tree going. And I got my heat going in here. It's working just fine. Sure glad I got an intelligent young, my son is 23. But he's been doing stuff for me since he's like 10 years old, fixing and repairing. And I mean, he'll be first time on anything and he can do it. Even fixing flat screen TVs and all kinds of stuff. I don't think there's nothing he don't. Oh, and he did the hot water tank. Keeps it going, the gas. Certain ways you... I mean, that tank is old. My son said this hot water tank was put in 1994. So it's 25 years old. What's the life on these anyway? Do they tell you how many years? Natural gas it runs on. But he's kept it going. He's had to work on it a couple of times. So, yay for my son. These plants, I got to take all these dead leaves off. Put them in mulch. That's a sweet potato over there. And this one here was the start off of that one. I got them for Mother's Day. And this down here will bloom. It's a daisy. Oh, now since the heat's on, I guess enough heat can get through there. I'm going to prop it up with my shoe for the heat. Now, that's enough heat. This your favorite spot in over here in the window? And I bring my pumpkin in during the day because I don't want it to freeze. I just leave it in here a couple of days. Then I'll put it out. It's raining and stuff. We keep putting it in and out. Got one next door too. Okay. That's it, y'all. I'm going to sit in this comfy chair. It is comfy. All right, y'all. Goodbye.